Good morning, students. I J Kumar once again before you with today's topic, and topic of today is J. Thomson's atomic model. J. Thomson's atomic model. Students, in last two videos we learned that an atom is made of still smaller charged particles, electron and proton. Now the next challenge before the scientist was that to explain the internal structure of atom. It means how these two charged particles inside an atom exist, and this was the challenge before the scientist. Hence, first time J. Thomson accepted the challenge and proposed his own atomic model, which is known as J. Thomson's atomic model. Students, according to J. Thomson, an atom is a hollow sphere. An atom is a hollow sphere in which positively charged particles are uniformly distributed and the negatively charged particles, say electrons, are embedded into it. Hereby, students, the positively charged particles have not been shown in this hollow sphere. The reason behind it is that the entire space of this hollow sphere is full of uniform positively charged particles. As the positively charged particles are uniformly distributed in the hollow sphere, that's why that has not been shown here. Only negatively charged particles which are embedded into the positively charged sphere have been shown here. So, according to J. Thomson, an atom is like this, in which the uniform positively charged particles are distributed everywhere in this sphere and negatively charged particles are embedded into it. So, students, few lines. According to J. Thomson, an atom is a hollow sphere, in which positively charged particles are distributed uniformly and the negatively charged particles are embedded into it, just like seeds in watermelon or raisins on cake. And this is the atomic structure of J.J. Thomson. But my dear students, this atomic model was not accepted as it was failed to explain the famous Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment. So in drawbacks you have to write drawbacks of J.J. Thomson's atomic model. Drawback failed to explain the famous Rutherford alpha particles scattering experiment. Alpha particles scattering experiment. Okay, but students, you also must know J.J. Thomson's atomic model is also known as watermelon seed spudding model. Why watermelon seed spudding model? Because you might have seen in watermelon the red edible part. He considered the red edible part as uniformly distributed positively charged particles, and just like black seeds in red edible part of watermelon are embedded or distributed in the similar way, electrons are embedded or distributed inside the uniform positively charged sphere. So watermelon seed spudding model, cake resins spudding model, these all names are given to J.J. Thomson's atomic model. Okay? Now students, in my next video, I will show you what was the famous Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment. And this was the famous experiment in chemistry, and after this famous experiment, Rutherford proposed his own atomic model, which is known as Rutherford's atomic model. Okay, so in next video I will discuss before you about the Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Goodbye.